Hello, Primary 6. Let's start our first lesson in science. The first lesson is talking about the types of levers. First, what is the levers? Levers, simple machines that's used by the man to perform heavy tasks easily. So the lever is simple machines used by the man to perform heavy tasks easily, like crowbar or bottle opener and scissors. Or it's a rigid bar, straight or curved bar that rotate around a fixed point. The fixed point is called the fulcrum, and it's affected by two force. So the lever is affected by two force, which is the effort force and the resistance force. What is the structure of the lever? First, the effort force. The effort force is the force exerted by the person to equilibrate the resistance. Number two, the fulcrum. It's a fixed point that rotates around the rigid bar. How that the rigid bar is rotates around. Number three, the resistance force is the force resulted from the weight of the body. The point number two, what is the importance of levers? The levers has many importance in our daily life, like number one, increasing the force. So the importance of levers, number one, increasing the force, as we use a small force to make a great effort, like the crowbar or the nutcracker. Number two, increasing distance. How can we increase the distance? By using your hand moves a small distance at the upper part, then the lower part will move a larger distance, like the manual prom. Number three, increasing speed, like the hockey bat. Moving the force from one place to another, like the manual prom. And we can use the levers to avoid dangers, like to pick up the hot and cold or poisonous material, like the coil holder or ice holder. And the last thing is used to accuracy in performance, like to pick up very small object like the tweezer. There is three types of levers. Number one, the first class lever. We can differentiate between the three types of lever by the point in the middle. If you have the fulcrum between the effort force and the resistance force, that means that it is first class lever. Number two, or the second class lever, it has the resistance between effort force and the fulcrum. Number three, or the third class lever, it has the effort force between the resistance and the fulcrum. So we have three types of levers. First class lever has the fulcrum between effort force and resistance, like the crowbar, the seesaw, the scissors, the pillars, water pump, pincer hammer. All of these are first class lever. The second class lever has the resistance between effort force and fulcrum, like the nutcracker, bottle opener, stapler, and wheel pump. Number three, the third class lever has the effort force between the fulcrum and the resistance force, like the hockey bat, tweezer, and the manual broom and the fishing tool, and also ice holder and sweet holder. Thanks for you.